Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Outbound Plays. This time, I'm filming live from our office in New York City. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an AI agent that can determine whether a company has a commissionable sales force or a sales team so that you can sell your sales software to them. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The tool that we're going to be using end-to-end for this play is Unify. Unify is an all-in-one go-to-market automation platform, and it's where we're going to define our AI agents that scan our account list and find our commissionable sales force. It's where we define the right persona that we reach out to and automatically send them the custom messaging that they need to hear. The first thing we'll want to do is create our AI agent. Click Agents on the left-hand side here, create new agent, and let's give this agent a name. Let's call this, does the company have a commissionable sales force? We'll run this on the record type company, and let's have it answer this question. Let's also say there's an extra qualification criteria. How many sellers does this company have? And then we can filter conditionally on the size of their sales team and change our messaging appropriately. Let's go ahead and run an example. All right, so the agent finished running, and I did this on a company that I know has a commissionable sales force, but we can see it searching the internet, finding headcount data, and ultimately concluding that this company does have a sales force and the exact number of sellers that this company has. Perfect. This looks good, so let's go ahead and create this agent. Now, the next thing we'll do is create our personas and our sequences to them. I already did this as an example, but let's say that we sell to our heads of sales, heads of RevOps, maybe finance, and that will want a heads of sales sequence, heads of RevOps sequence, heads of finance sequence. Let's say we already did that, and now we're bringing everything together in a play or an automation. So to do that, let's go to our plays, click New Play, create from scratch. Let's just say this is version 1 of Commissionable Software Play. The first node we have here is a trigger node. This fires off the automation, and we're running this on a territory or a list of accounts. The next thing we'll want is to take the AI agent that we just built and to have it qualify each of those accounts for whether they have a commissionable sales force and to return the number or the size of their sales team. Let's connect this to our agent and then define our qualification requirements. First, we want to mark companies as qualified when this returns true. And let's say that we want this play to run for when a company has at least 10 sellers, because that's when they're really starting to feel the pain if they're tracking commissions manually. Great, our agent is done. Now, for those companies that are qualified, we want to prospect for our heads of sales. Let's just say we want 5 max prospects. Let's prospect for heads of sales. And if we wanted to as well, we could in parallel prospect for heads of revenue operations and heads of finance. Then we'll want to loop through all the people that this company has prospected and send them into the right sequence. Here's where we say, take our heads of sales, and through this inbox, route them into the heads of sales sequence. And as you can imagine, we can also in parallel route our heads of RevOps and our heads of finance through whatever inbox we want and into the right sequence for them as well. In just a few minutes, we've built an AI agent that scans a territory or an account list for commissionable sales forces, and for those that are true, allows us to reach out to the heads of sales, heads of RevOps, and heads of finance and send them the right sequence. As you can imagine, I can customize this play based on the size of the sales force. I can take this and have a range be 10 to 50 sellers and send them custom messaging, and then create another play for 1,000 and up sellers and send different messaging there. So this is why plays are really powerful. They give us this ability to have precision and automation at scale. I hope this video was helpful so that you could see how you can take an AI agent and automate the entire stack of qualifying companies, prospecting for the right leads at those companies, and routing them into the right sequences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for the next video in the AI Agent Outbound Plays series. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.